This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook oatmeal in a rice cooker. This method is incredibly simple, making your mornings much easier and cleaner than using the stovetop. You can achieve perfectly creamy, warm oats with minimal effort and almost no supervision at all. It is ideal for busy people or anyone who loves a consistent, delicious breakfast every single time. Let us discuss the key to perfect oatmeal, the right ingredients and precise ratios. For every 1 part of rolled oats, you will need 2 parts of liquid, like water or milk. A standard serving often uses 1/2 cup of oats, requiring 1 cup of water. Feel free to add a pinch of salt for enhanced flavor or a touch of cinnamon if you prefer. This simple proportion ensures a creamy, consistent texture without any guesswork. Cooking your oatmeal is wonderfully straightforward in a rice cooker. First, combine your rolled oats, water, and any desired spices directly in the inner pot. Give everything a quick stir to ensure it is well mixed. Then, secure the lid and select the porridge or slow cook setting if your appliance has one. If not, the regular white rice setting often works for about 20 to 25 minutes. The rice cooker handles everything, preventing boilovers and constant stirring. Enjoy your relaxed morning. Once your oatmeal is cooked, allow it to rest in the rice cooker for a few minutes with the lid on. This brief resting period helps it thicken, achieving that perfect creamy texture. Serve it warm, topped with fresh fruits, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a sprinkle of nuts for crunch. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making future breakfasts incredibly simple. Enjoy your perfectly customized, easy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.